I've created a Unity tool that enables you to use ChatGPT within Unity. So if you want to have a certain script, you can simply type in what it should do, and will then automatically ask ChatGPT to write down the script, and then convert its response to an actual script file in Unity. You can get the package for free if you want, for the time being, so I will upload this entire Unity project to my Patreon for free, so you don't have to be a member of mine. So before I show you how it works, please make sure to subscribe if you want to get notified on the newer versions of this one. So what this package consists of is OpenAI's API in this folder with a custom wrapper that you can find on GitHub under the name OkGoDoIt that empowers us to use the ChatGPT API through C#, although it's normally only possible to do it with JavaScript. Then you got this demo scene in the scenes folder, and then one script for each of the features. And all it will do is to add this Unity GPT tab to the top navigation bar, where you can then select the Create Script tool, and then enter the name of the script you want to have right here, and finally tell ChatGPT your script's purpose through this text box. And as you can see, if I hit Create Script, the script will be added right here, and I'll get this output message. Let's quickly disable this one and add a new cube to try out our newly created script. I'm going to create its scale bit. Now let's see how it looks like. And now that seems to work just as we want it. So let's say I want my next script to change the color of the cube, like that. And additionally I want my script to make a debug log in the console. Then I probably had to go to advanced settings and increase my maximum tokens to, let's say, 500, as this one is supposed to symbolize like the amount of effort that ChatGPT will put into the response. So if this one remains too low, the end of the script might be cut, as I try to explain here, but I will also create a debug warning that is displayed if the tool thinks that the script might be cut. And if you wonder, temperature just refers to like the amount of randomness of the response. So let's check out this one. And here it is. And here we got our A, and our cube's color appears to be changing as well, if my eyes don't turn their back on me. Finally, one last thing, make sure to insert your API key below here that you can generate right here on OpenAI's Getting Started page. And please make sure to keep this one somewhere safe. Again, although this video is supposed to be like a 100 sub special, I'll probably be updating this tool in the future, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And you can always feel free to ask me in the comments for some help on it, or to suggest future features, and I'll see you next time.